Look at this. With just one click, I can select any folder on my computer, and Excel automatically loads every file into a clean, organized list. Files of the same type are displayed with the same color, and every file name is clickable. Just click a file name to open it instantly. No more browsing through folders trying to find the right document. Hi everyone, my name is Mina, and in this video I'll show you step by step how to build this Excel document manager using VBA. Before we get started, you can download the practice workbook, VBA code, and sample files using the links in the pinned comment and the video description. Let's get started. First, create a new Excel workbook. Before we do anything else, save it as an Excel Macro-Enabled Workbook because we'll be using VBA macros. I name mine Excel Document Manager. Since I've already saved the file, I'm going to replace it. Rename Sheet to Document Manager. In row 4, create these headers. File name, file type, date modified, and folder path. Make the headers bold and adjust the column width. Set file name column to 35. Set file type column width to 15. Set date modified column width to 22. And set folder path column width to 60. Go to the Developer tab and insert a button and reposition it wherever you like and rename it to Load Document. Now insert another button rename it to Clear List. And then resize it and position it. From Developer tab, click Visual Basic, insert Module. This is where we'll place our VBA code. The complete VBA code is included in the downloadable workbook, so you don't have to type it manually. Simply copy the code and paste it into the module. Rather than explaining every single line in this tutorial, let me briefly explain what each section does. First, we declare the variables. Next, we display a folder picker so the user can choose a folder. The macro loops through every file, checks for duplicates, skips files that already exist, create clickable hyperlinks, record the file type, date modified and folder path, applies color based on file type, and sets the row height to 25. The second macro, Clear List, removes all loaded documents from the worksheet. If you'd like a dedicated tutorial explaining every line of the VBA code, let me know in the comments. Now assign macros. Right-click on Load Documents, select Assign Macros, Load Documents, and click OK. Next, right-click on Clear List, assign macro, choose Clear List, and click OK. Now to test the application, I've created a folder containing sample PDF files, Word documents, Excel workbooks, and images. When I click Load Documents, I select the folder and click OK. Excel automatically loads all the files. Notice that files of the same type share the same color, making them easy to identify. The files' names are clickable, so I can open any document directly from Excel. So I'm clicking on different file types and opening them. That was PDF, this one Excel, and this one Word document. If I want to remove everything, I simply click Clear List. If I click Load Documents again, duplicate files are skipped automatically. Instead of searching through folders every time you need a document, you can keep everything organized and accessible from one place. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. And if this video was helpful, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Now that you build your Excel document manager, the next step is making it even more powerful. In next tutorial, we'll add an instant search feature so you can locate any document in seconds. If you don't want to miss it, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. You'll also find a downloadable workbook and sample files in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next video. Bye.